Hello friends and welcome to YouTube channel Freedom Tech, and in this session what we are going to learn. In this session we are going to see how to detect the object using OpenCV and Raspberry Pi 4 camera module. Okay, so before we move to our practical friends, if you learn something from our videos, please consider to subscribe our channel. Okay friends, thank you so much and just let's start. So friends, I have already created the video how to install OpenCV, also how to configure the Raspberry Pi 4 camera module with the Raspberry Pi 4. Okay, because for this practical, first you need to install the OpenCV on Raspberry Pi 4. Also, you need to configure the camera module of the Raspberry Pi 4. Of course, you can use the USB camera also. Okay, but I have here my Raspberry Pi 4 camera module, so I have used here the camera module to detect the live frame. Okay, that's it. So friends, just install OpenCV, configure the camera whichever you have. If you have the USB, you can connect the USB. If you have the Raspberry Pi 4 camera module, you can go with also. So friends, as you can see here, this is what our live frame. Okay, and if I just move my hand, as you can see, this is what my hand. So this is the complete live frame, and I have set my mobile camera in front of the Raspberry Pi 4 camera to detect the object. Okay, to detect the object from the live traffic. Okay, and as you can see, when it's detecting, of course it's creating the red color of bounding box. Also it's just type the detect word. Okay, so you can change as per your requirement. Okay, so the script is working, and as you can see here friends, is detecting the particular this area because I am interested in this particular area. So I have created my region of interested area, this particular. As you can see, it's only detecting this particular area, as you can see here. Okay, so when the cars or when the traffic come in this particular area, it will be detected, or it will basically the creating the bounding boxes on particular that object. Okay, so I have here friends a repository. I will mention the link. You need to simply clone that repository. Okay, so rpi4 OpenCV obj tract, inside that we have our file. Go to the code, then copy the link, then open the terminal, and you need to run the command sudo git clone. Okay, which we always run. First I need to just close the frame. So q, and it's close the frame. Now friends, as I told you, sudo git clone and paste that link and just hit enter. It will download the folder which I have already downloaded here, as you can see. So if I run the ls command, as you can see, we have our script here. Okay, so sudo nano obj and just press tab button, it will open the script. Okay, so I have used here my nano editor. You can go with vim also. Okay, so this is what our script. As you can see here, object detector, I have used here a background subtractor. Okay, mog2. Then this is what basically we are going to get the live frame from our Raspberry Pi 4 camera module. Okay, then as you can see here, ROI, this is what the main part, basically this is what the interested area where I want to detect the traffic. Okay, you can change these coordinates as per your requirement. Okay, so this is the main thing. Then this is what I have created the mask. Okay, then contours, I have already created the video how to detect the contours. So as you can see, I have detected the contours here. This is what the contours matter for detecting the contours. Then we are going to create the bounding boxes on that, and then we are going to put the text on particular area. Okay, so main thing is what friends, here in this script, main thing is what the region of interest. So if I go here, cv2 I am show, and if I just create, or if I just want to show the ROI means the region of interested area. Control X, Y, enter, save. Now if I run the script, sudo python 3 object track.py and hit enter. As you can see here, the frame is too large, but I have just create this region of interested area. Okay, that's why it's detecting only that particular area. So you can change, you can basically increase the region of interested area as per your requirement. Okay, so friends, this is the way, this is how you can detect the object using Raspberry Pi 4 camera module, and it's really works smooth, friends. Okay, it's really works smooth. So if I just want to set here the frame, this is what our frame. Okay, Control X, Y, enter and save. And now if I go and run the script, as you can see, it's detecting. Now it's only one car is moving, so only it will create the boundary box on particular moving object. Okay, friends, so I hope you will learn something from this video, and you also can detect the object using Raspberry Pi 4 camera module and OpenCV. We'll meet our next video. Till then, thank you, take care, and bye bye.